Hello, this is the luckiest maths teacher in the world. Thank you so much for tuning into this video in which we will look at proving identities involving reciprocal ratios. So this is an example here. Remember, sec is a reciprocal ratio. It's 1 over cos. So let's prove that sec squared theta equals 1 plus tan squared theta. So it might help us see what's going on a bit better if we write sec and tan in terms of sine and cos. So sec theta is 1 over cos theta. So sec squared theta, 1 squared is just 1, and then you square the cos on the bottom. So sec squared theta is 1 over cos squared theta, and tan squared theta, we should know by now, is sine squared theta over cos squared theta. So how am I going to make this look anything like this? Well, of course, it uses the identity that keeps coming up. See, I want to somehow write this so it has sine squared theta. So what I need to use is the Pythagorean identity. So what we have is sec squared theta, which is 1 on cos squared theta. So I can change this 1 to sine squared theta plus cos squared theta. And I keep the same denominator. So I can, of course, split this up into sine squared theta over cos squared theta plus cos squared theta over cos squared theta. So here we have this part here is tan squared theta that we mentioned before. And of course, cos squared theta divided by itself is 1. Anything except 0 divided by itself is 1. We know cos theta can't be 0 because then sec wouldn't be defined. So this will be tan squared theta plus 1. And of course, 1 over cos squared theta is sec squared theta. So I have proved what I set out to. Sec squared theta equals tan squared theta plus 1. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. This has been the luckiest maths teacher in the world. Have a great day.